So guys, finally a new device is launching on the Redmi 9 series, which is called as the Redmi 9 Active. As you can see here, Redmi 9 Active. So it is launching in India, guys. Yes, my friends, it is launching on every country. It is coming on Amazon also. Sale will start at September 24th, and as you can see, so let's talk about this Redmi 9 Active specification. 6.53-inch HD plus display will get MediaTek Helio G35 processor, 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixels camera, 5 megapixel front camera, 5000 mAh battery, 10 watt charging. You will get Android 11 based on MIUI 12, LPDDR4X, eMMC 10.1, rear fingerprint scanner, dual SIM micro SD slot, air blaster, Type C, 3.5 mm jack, 194 grams. So as you can see, these are the specifications. You can also pause this shorts video and see the specifications here. And the price you will get is very budget friendly. 4 GB RAM, 64 GB is 9,000, but 6 GB RAM 128 is 10,000. So if you are an Indian user, if you live in India, or if you live in another countries, the Redmi 9 Active will launch very soon in other names. So if you live in India, you can buy this smartphone at September 24th. Okay, so if you want these kind of quick information, you can subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.